Okay.
Sound right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, do you see a normal desktop screen? Like all the icons are there. Do you see
E-
that?
yes.
Okay. Now, you look at your keyboard in extreme left hand side bottom corner. Do you see there's a false flag window key or like a Microsoft logo key? Do you see this key?
Uh-huh.
Now you press this false flag window key with one finger and another finger you press the letter R, R as in Romeo. You have to press the both keys together at the same time. Okay? So what you see on your screen right now?
Um, nothing's happening.
Okay. You press the false flag window key with one finger and another finger you press the letter R, R as in Romeo. Romeo. Okay? You have to press the both keys together at the same time. R key and the false flag window key. Okay? Now what you see on your screen?
Um, it it highlighted recycle bin.
I'm sorry?
It highlighted the recycle bin.
Highlighted in recycle bin. Do you see any other box? Right, left hand side corner. Do you see that?
No, is there another way to try this? My keyboard might not work right.
Your keyboard is not working.
Well,
What?
nothing came up when I tried that.
Okay. So, anybody else who uses this computer or you are the main user of this computer?
It's my computer.
This computer. So, do you see left hand side corner any pop up, any box? Do you see that left hand side corner on your screen?
The left side?
Yeah, left hand side corner any box, any pop up? Do you see that?
No. Um,
Okay, okay. Again, you press the both keys together at the same time. The four flag window key and the R key, R as in Romeo. You have to press the both keys together at the same time. R, okay, R as in Romeo. You have to press the both keys together. Okay.
when I press the Windows key,
And
and
simultaneously, you press the R key, R as in Romeo. You have to press the both keys together at the same time. Okay.
it's well on the bottom right side of my monitor it says key disabled when I press the Windows key.
If you say, are you using laptop or desktop? Is it desktop, right?
Yes.
Okay. Left hand side bottom corner, beside of control key. Do you see there is a window key?
Yes, I see it.
Bottom corner. Yeah. Now you press this for flag window key with one finger. Okay. You press this key.
Yeah. So I'm pressing that key and the R
Okay.
button together, but nothing happens.
Nothing happened. Okay. Okay. Don't worry about that. Okay.
Okay.
Just give me a moment. Now, do you see left hand side corner on your screen, on your computer screen? Do you see there is a left hand side corner? There is a Microsoft logo.
Yes.
Okay. Now you just click on this logo. Just left click on this logo.
Okay.
Okay. And do you see any options are there like documents, picture, music, games?
Yes.
That okay. And the all programs are there. Below of all programs, do you see there is a search box?
Uh-huh.
See that?
Yeah.
search box, run, R-U-N, run. R as in Romeo, U as in uniform, N as in Nancy. You type there run, R-U-N.
Run. Okay.
Right.
I clicked
Now
run.
okay. Now you hit the enter from your keyboard.
Yes.
Okay. Now what you see on your screen?
A box that says run.
Right. And what are the things I mentioned on the box?
Type the name of a program, folder, document, or internet resource, and Windows
Right.
will open it for you.
Right. Do you see there is a white typing panel box beside of open? Do you see this? Beside the long side
Yes.
white typing panel box. Okay. If anything is written over the white panel box, just to delete it and make this box as an empty.
Okay, it's empty.
Okay. Now you type here in the white panel box MS Info 32. I'll spell it for you. You type M as in Mary. Okay. Then type S as in sugar. Okay.
Yes.
Right. Then type I as in Indiana. Okay. Then type N as in Nancy. Okay. Then type F as in Frank. Okay.
Okay.
Then type O as in Oscar. Okay.
Okay.
Then type numerical number 32. Okay. Okay. 32. Right.
Yeah, so it says MS Info 32.
Right. So is it like MS stands for Microsoft and info stands for information, right? And 30 is this is your code number which is generated only for you. And I repeat the whole thing is it MS Info 32. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you hit the enter from your keyboard.
Okay.
Okay. So what you see on your screen right now?
It says system information.
Right. Left side corner, do you see there is the option below of system summary? So software environment, do you see this option? Software environment?
Yes.
Now, you just left double click on software environment. Okay?
Okay.
Left double click on software environment. Okay?
Okay. Got it?
Right. Below of software environment, do you see there are some subcategories are there?
Software.
Below of software environment, what are the options are there?
I see system drivers, environment variables, print
Right.
jobs.
Yeah. Now, you do one thing. You just left double click on system drivers.
Okay.
Now you'll get there is a bunch of information came on your right hand side on your screen. Do you see that?
Yes.
Okay. And there is a first column that is name. Do you see that at the top, right hand side top? There is a first column that is name column. Do you see that name column?
Yes.
Okay. Beside of name there is a description column, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then file.
Yeah.
Right. Then type.
Yep.
Then started. Then start mode. Then state. Do you see the state column?
Yes.
Okay. Now you tell me in a particular state column below of state how many drivers are in stop mode. Is it more than 5, more than 10? Because driver is a very, very essential part of any Windows computer. Okay. So you just tell me below of state how many drivers are in stop mode. Is it 5, 10? How many? Just to count and give me the round figure. Okay.
Oh, a lot of them. Probably most of them.
A better explanation. And I have a clear picture of what type of problems you're facing in your computer, right? So just count and give me the round figure. How much? Is it more than 10, more than 15? How many?
I would say more than 50.
Okay. Sorry, is it more than?
Probably more than 50.
More than 50. Okay. So may I know before going any type of explanation to you exactly what you do on this computer?
What do I do?
Yeah, what you're doing on this computer, like checking emails, online banking, and any other things are you doing on this computer?
Oh, I like to play Minecraft.
Okay. What are the things are you doing? What are the other things you're doing in this computer?
I go online and do Facebook.
Okay. Like online banking, online shopping, doing Facebook, social networking sites, like
Yeah,
downloading something from internet. These are the things that you're doing, right?
right.
Okay. So, since how long time you are using this computer? Is it more than 2 years? More than 3 years? How long time is it you are using this?
Less than a year.
Is it more than a year, right?
Less than a year.
Less than a year. Okay. So, do you have any another computer or laptop, or this is the only one which you are using at home?
Just the one.
This is the one. Actually, what happened? These are the drivers. This is the drivers, a very very essential thing of any Windows computer. Okay,
Okay.
and like you just tell me like 50% drivers might be stopped in your computer, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, what happens, like when you're going online, okay, and browsing different type of websites, like you check your emails, online banking, online shopping, even you're downloading something from internet, right? Even it may be movie, it may be song, it may be games, whatever maybe you downloaded from internet, right? Even if you're going for social networking sites like Facebook or WhatsApp,
Uh-huh.
that time, okay, that time, like some unwanted files or chunk files, right, or malicious files automatically get downloaded in your computer, okay,
Okay.
without your prior knowledge, right, and corrupt the software applications and system files of your computer operating system, okay. That's the reason your computer, some very, very essential parts like the drivers, because of the drivers that are working, like it may be more than 50% drivers are corrupted due to some junk file. So it's a very, very essential thing. That means when you're going online that time, if your computer is not protected through viruses or through malicious files, then when you're going online, then you're facing this type of technical problems in your computer, right? And
Mm-hmm.
and if your computer is not protected due to some unwanted files and junk files, then then coming days might be we're not able to access this computer. It might be slow, or like when you're going online, if you open up like 2 or 3 applications at the same time, it might be freezed or hanged, or like it's taking putting too much time. This type of problems are definitely coming days are facing in your computer. So, right now, are you facing any type of problems in your computer?
Oh, nothing too serious.
Are you facing any type of problems? Like what type of problems you're facing in your computer right now?
The problems?
Yeah. Any type of problems are you facing in your computer right now?
No.
Okay, that's good. But still it's working. The main reason why is it still working? Because still 50% drivers are still working in your system, right? Do you see on the screen, right? 50% drivers, but like those drivers are in running mode. Do you see? Most of the drivers are in running mode.
Uh-huh.
See that? If the 50% drivers are still at running mode, that's the reason your computer is still working. You are not facing any type of problems in your computer right now. But if your computer is not protected due to some malicious files or viruses or unwanted files, also still working like as a running mode, they are also corrupted due to some junk files or unwanted files. If all the drivers are in stop mode, or like all the drivers are corrupted due to some malicious files, then your computer will be crashed down because 100% drivers should be in running mode, but they are not. It might be 50% drivers is already corrupted and they are like a totally in stopped mode. But it's not a good sign because as a Windows user in your computer, not only you, those customers, those who are using Windows and their computers, 100% drivers should be in running mode. Then your computer is perfectly okay, otherwise not. So in your case, 50% drivers is corrupted. It's totally not working. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'll show you some another internal parts of your computer. Might be if you're like 50% drivers is corrupted, that means some another internal parts is also infected due to some unwanted files. Okay. Now we'll do one thing. Left hand side corner below of system drivers. Do you see there is the option like services? Do you see that services option? Left hand side corner below of services, system drivers. There is the option number 7 option is services. Do you see that?
Yes.
Now you left double click on services. Okay.
Okay.
Now you get now do you see there is a bunch of information again come your right hand side on your screen. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what we'll do one thing. Now you just do you see there is a bunch of information like display name, state. Do you see that?
Uh-huh.
Now do one thing. You select any information. Just left click on that and it's highlighted in blue mark, right?
Right.
Right. Okay. Now you do one thing. You look at your keyboard, okay, and press the letter N. N as a Nancy. Okay. Look at your keyboard and press the letter N. Right.
Okay.
Okay. Now, do you see there's an option like network access protection? Do you see that? On your right hand side on your screen, there is an option like network access protection. Do you see that? Network access protection.
Did you say N or end?
N, N, N as in Nancy, or like N as in November.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So now, right hand side on your screen, do you see there is an option like network access protection? Do you see that? This option?
No, when I pressed N, it took me to some stuff that starts with an N.
Not M. Is it N? N as in Nancy. N as in November.
Yeah. N.
Okay. Yeah. N. Now, what you see on your screen, do you see there is an option like network access protection, network connections, network list services? Do you see this type of options are there on your right hand side on your screen?
Oh, yeah. I see what you mean. Yes, I see.
Now, yeah, okay. Now, now you just tell me, network access protection, this driver is in stop mode or is it running mode?
It is stopped.
Is it stop mode? Okay, that's a very, very essential driver, which is stop mode in your computer, and it is a not good sign as a Windows user. Actually, what happened, like when you're going online, right, and when you're doing online banking, or like when you're doing online shopping, you're doing, right? Both are the things online to be doing online shopping.
Uh-huh.
Okay, if that point of time, when you're doing online banking or online shopping, that point of time, if this driver, like network access protection, if it is in stop mode, okay, that means your computer is not protected.
Okay.
Okay? At any point of time, hackers also hacked on your computer. Okay, and they can get your personal information or banking information from your computer. Okay.
Okay.
Whenever you doing online banking and put your credit card or debit card details through your computer screen, and they're easily hacked on your computer. Okay, and you know very well how they will do after that. Okay.
Okay.
So that when you're doing basically when you're going online banking, online shopping, that point of time, this driver network access protection, it should be in running mode. It should be, but it's not. It's corrupted due to some junk file. So it's not a good sign. It should be in running mode. Okay. So I'll
Okay.
show you some another important part of your computer. Do you see there is another option like network connections? You see
Yes.
that? Just below of network restriction. So is it running mode or stop mode?
Running.
Running. It's a good sign in a computer, so it still isn't running. Okay. So now the one thing, you again you press now you look at your keyboard
Mm-hmm.
and you press the letter W. Press the letter W. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Now, do you see there is the option like Windows backup? Do you see that? Windows backup?
Yep.
Okay. Now tell me the Windows backup. This driver is in stop mode or is it running mode?
It is stopped.
Okay. That is again you're facing same type of problems. Like there's another very essential driver which is in stop mode. Actually, what happened when you're going online? Okay, if your computer if it don't have any backup plan, right? Don't have any backup, then when you downloading something from internet, that time if your computer don't have any backup, then at any point of time the computer also crashes down. Okay, so it should be in running mode, right?
Right.
So just below of that, you see the option like Windows Defender. Do you see that Windows Defender?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Now you tell me Windows Defender, this driver is in stop mode or is it running mode?
It is stopped.
Is it stop mode? That is lots of drivers are in stop mode, sir. Most of the essentials of drivers are in stop mode. Like Windows Defender, like this is a very, very essential driver, right? When you're going online at that point of time, if this driver is in stop mode, that means your computer is not right is not defend to or is not protect to any type of viruses, junk files or unwanted files. So when you're going online, that time some junk files, unwanted files, malicious files will automatically get downloaded in your computer. Okay?
Yep.
And they're totally corrupted your hardware part of your computer, as well
Mm-hmm.
as the hampering your software part and software application parts also. Because your Windows Defender, this driver is in stop mode and your computer don't have any capability to protect or like defend any type of junk files or unwanted files, right? So this is a very essential driver. This driver is in, right? So it should be in running mode, okay?
Okay.
So just below of that, do you see there is another very essential driver which is installer? Do you see that?
Yeah.
Okay. This driver is in stop mode or is it running mode?
It is in stop mode.
Okay, is it again stop mode? So what I'll do, because your computer like more than 50% drivers are in stop mode. So if I'll go for each and every drivers to explain you, it's taking too much time. So I'll give you the explanations of few drivers which are the drivers are very, very essential. Okay.
Okay.
I don't. Okay. So these are some essential drivers which are very, very important. And these are the drivers that are in stop mode. Okay. So Windows installer is a main, very essential driver. May I know, like, are you downloading something from internet? It might be song, movie, games. These are the things that you downloaded from internet.
Yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes you download it, right? Because you are not aware, sir. Because you are not aware, so that's that's why you downloading something from internet, and it is totally unintentionally. Actually, what happened when you downloading something from internet, right? It may be song, it may be movie, or it may be game. That time, if this driver is in Windows installer is in stop mode, that means your computer will not give you the permission to downloading or to download it from internet. Okay, because but you are doing because you are not aware of this type of problems, because Windows installer is in stop mode. If you are doing these things, if this driver is in stop mode, but you are doing like forcefully downloading something from internet, that point of time, it is totally it's very very harmful for your computer, right? So it
Right.
should be in running mode. Okay, so don't worry about that. What I'll do, like after giving this type of explanations, I'll transfer this call to my Microsoft certified engineer who will work on your computer and reinstall some drivers in your computer, which drivers are totally corrupted. Okay,
Okay.
or as well as repair some drivers also. So don't worry about that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now you just exit out from this page, close this page, and go back to your normal desktop page. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now you again press like / window key and the R key. Okay. The run box will come, right? Do you see the run box?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you delete MS Info 32 from the white panel box and make this box as an empty. Okay.
Okay.
Is it empty, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now you type here in the white panel box, event viewer. I'll spell it for you, sir. You type E. E as in Edward. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Then type V. V as in victory.
Uh-huh.
Then again type E. E as in Edward.
Yep.
Okay. Then type N. N as in Nancy.
Okay.
Okay. Then type T. T as in Tango.
Yep.
Then type V. V as in victory again.
Yep.
Then type W. W as in whiskey.
Yeah.
Then type R. R as in Romeo.
Okay.
So I repeat the whole thing. Is it EVENTVWR? Am I right?
Yes. And pressing enter.
Yeah. So press enter from your keyboard.
Uh-huh.
So what you see on your screen right now?
I see overview and summary.
Okay. Left hand side corner, what are the options are there?
I see custom views, Windows logs, applications.
Yeah. Now you do one thing. You just left double click on custom views. Okay.
Okay.
Left double click on custom views. Below of custom views, what do you see on your screen?
I see administrative events.
Right. Now you left double click. Now you left double click on administrative events. Okay.
Okay.
Do you see right hand side on your screen? There's some arrows and warnings are there. Do you see that?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any idea why these are the arrows and warnings have in your computer?
No. One of them says critical.
Actually, okay, I'll explain it. Actually, what happened, because you are our registered clients, right? You are using Windows computer, okay?
Yep.
And we are the authorized service partner of Microsoft, and we are taking care of all the Microsoft products, okay? So when you're going online and browsing different type of websites, that time some junk files or unwanted files are automatically get downloaded in your computer.
Uh-huh.
Right? At that point of time, these types of error messages are automatically get generated in your computer. So, okay?
Okay.
Okay? So these are the error messages which is very, very harmful to your computer. And these are the error messages that automatically get generated in your computer. Okay. So several times we are sending you the warning messages. Do you see there are some warnings here in the yellow color? Do you see that?
Yep.
We are sending these warning messages through the CLS ID number. That is customer license ID number, right? Because each and every computer have individual CLS ID number. Your computer have also individual CLS ID number, and this CLS ID number through we can easily track as a Windows as a like associate service partner of Microsoft. We are easily track like which computer have generating this type of problems, right? That point of time we are sending you this type of warning messages to your computer. So your computer is a very risky zone. If immediate you are not troubleshoot or fix it up your computer, then at any point of time your computer also crash down. But
Mm-hmm.
you not respond to our warnings, right?
Right.
That's the reason. Right. So that's the reason today you get a technical checkup call from Microsoft Certified Technicians team. Okay. If I scroll this page, do you see there is a lots of error messages on your computer? Do you see that?
Yep.
Yeah. This type of error messages are automatically generated in your computer, and it's huge. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah. So I hope you understand what's the critical zone in your computer. What type of complexity you're facing in your computer, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now I'll do one thing. You just close this
Okay.
page. Now again you press 4 window key and the R key. Okay. Okay. You
Okay.
okay. So do you see there is a run box will come? Run box. RUN run.
Yep.
See that? Okay. Now you delete event viewer from the white panel box. You delete it and make this box as an empty. Okay.
Okay.
Is it empty?
Yep.
Okay. Now you type here. Now do what? Now what I'll do, sir? I'll connect your computer to our workstation. Okay. Because I don't have any like idea like what's the present status on your computer. Like what type of internal problems you are facing in your computer. I don't have any idea about that. Right. So that's the reason. What I'll do, I'll connect your computer to our Windows workstation, and then I'll give you the better explanation. Okay. And like if your internal parts is also corrupted due to some unwanted files or like malicious files, right? Then you remove all the junk files or unwanted files from your computer. First of all, I'll connect your computer to our workstation. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now you type here. Do you see there is a white panel box?
Yep.
Do you see that? Now you type here in the white panel box, okay, www, okay,
Okay.
then put a dot,
Uh-huh.
then type T as in tango, or like, okay,
Uh-huh.
then type E as in Edward, okay,
Uh-huh.
then type A as in alpha, okay,
Okay.
then type M as in Mike, okay,
Okay.
then type V as in victory,
Yep.
okay, then type E as in uh, like TEAM, right, sir? Then
Yes.
after V, you type I as in Indiana, okay?
Uh-huh.
Then type E as in Edward,
Okay.
okay? Then type W as in whiskey,
Okay.
okay? Then type E as in Edward again, okay?
Yep.
Then type R as in Romeo, okay?
Okay.
Then put a dot,
Dot.
yeah. Then type com, COM, com,
Okay. Enter.
Okay. Okay. I'll just to double check it first of all. Is it www.teamviewer.com, right?
Yes.
Is it spelling is teamviewer.com? Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Now you hit the enter from your keyboard.
Yep.
Okay. So do you see what you see on your screen right now?
It says TeamViewer, and there's a link to download.
Yes. Just below of that, do you see there's an option like join remote control session? Do you see that?
Yes.
Below, yeah. Just click on this link, join remote control session. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So what do you see on your screen right now? Do you see the option like run or save?
Yep.
So what do you see? What are the options is there?
It says saved.
Run or save? Just click on save.
Okay.
Okay. So right now, what you see on your screen?
It says run.
Right. Just click on run.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So right now, what you see on your screen?
It looks like it just set up. So now I have a window that says TeamViewer Quick Support.
Okay. Just below of that, you see there is any option like accept. Just click on it.
Okay.
Okay. So what do you see on your screen right now?
It says something and it has your ID and password.
Right. Right. Just give me your ID, personal ID number.
Okay. 631.
631
Yeah. 220
220
768.
768. So I repeat again. So is it 631 220 768? Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Just click on accept.
I don't see anything.
Okay. Just give me a moment. Just click on accept. Do you see any option like accept?
No.
Don't see that?
No, still nothing.
Okay. Just give me a moment. It will become. Just give me a moment. Do you see any option like connecting to partner at the left hand side bottom?
No.
Okay. Just give me a moment. Connection could not be established. So your ID is 631 220 768, right?
No.
What's your ID number? ID is 631 220 768. Am I right? This is your ID number?
No, I gave you the wrong one.
I'm sorry?
I gave you the wrong ID number.
Why?
Because I don't want you connecting to my computer.
Yes. Otherwise, why should I give you the explanation and why we worked on your computer? Because until unless you're facing some problems in your computer, right?
No, because I know you're a scammer and you want to mess with my computer.
You think so?
Yes.
Who told you?
It's pretty common knowledge.
Sorry?
It's pretty obvious.
What did you say?
It's very obvious.
If like that, then how would I know that you are facing some problems? I'll show you each and everything, like error messages or more lots of
Be-
internal problems you're facing in your computer. I'll show you that.
because all
It's like
computers have drivers that are stopped at times, and every event viewer has events that are going to.
uh, so how do you know that? You are the technician. How do you know that?
I'm just computer literate. I built this PC last November. Um,
Uh,
yeah. Sorry, I wasted your time.
Bastard.